switch tag and case server. As we write the code here, server. If we just change the code my server and there, yeah, my server. That's because XML files tag. The content here, we can write any content we like. We can use any name we like. So if my server will get this file here, and how to run this file? Windows +R command and change to D, drive D, Java -cp. Remember my cat, and we're following the main class. What's the main class name? My rerun, redebug. Okay, next file path here. That's right. That is the right file path. Okay, then we can step over to see if we have to read this content. Okay, that's right. The server is listening, and we can refresh and to see. Oh, the port is no longer 8080, it's 8001. So we can change the port here to 8001. Okay, next step over and resume. Okay, perfect. That's that's the content. Oh, why it's be I should in a process and find the Java process and terminate it. Java G. Okay, and the Unicode code here, encode here, we should change to UTF-8. Yes. Oh my God. terminate, and yes, okay. This time we get the right config file and the right working directory and the port here. Okay, then we can refresh. Then we'll get the right answer. This is our so-called software. Then we can I'll delete it. This one and this one. But our client don't know how to run this code. So we have to create a new startup.command. We have to write a new command for our customers, and in this we should write java-cp and that's right, CP. What's the meaning of CP? Maybe later we have a check. Yeah. First, let us check if our program can run properly. Okay, that's right. Then refresh. Oh, why? Not handshake. If handshake, we should get 3 handshake. You know, the TCP protocol 3 times handshake. You know, not twice, not 2 times shake. It's because this one, and I'll change this to the button, and I'll click then check to the network tab. I'll click, and the local host, and there's another request. Oh my god, why another? That means let me have a check. I'll show you. That's because the problem is the browser, and we have to move this file to handle client. And before the old code, we have to decide which we have to tell the path. What the path is, the request path is. What's request path? Yeah, here is the path. You know, just like test 1. This is a whole path. We should, according the path, and to read our file from here. You know, create a and create 1.html file. If the request path here test 1, not a, it's test 1 here, then this is the path, the request, the client request. Then we will, according this path to read this file and send it to our client. So we have to handle the request. So the request we should from the client. Client gets input stream. From the input stream, we have to retrieve the detail from the input stream, where then we can change this string to a buffer reader, That's mainly because we can use a buffer reader to read a line one by one. You know, I can read a line, the next line. So I have to wrap the input string to buffered reader, BR, equals new buffered reader. Buffered reader where you can use from not files, input reader, new input reader. Where new input reader from? Yeah, the input string reader can read the input string here. That's fine. That's fine. Then we'll change. We'll try catch. Our code, and this wrapper class wrap the input string or change the input string to a new form. That make me more convenient to read the content from the input string line by line, you know, a line by line. Yeah, okay. Then we'll use buffer dot read line, you know, read line. But the HTTP protocol will provide multi lines. There's so many lines, so I will read. Use a iterator to use this line. While line equals buffer reader dot read line. But if I can define it equals blank, while this result, the whole result, and the whole result not equal empty is empty. We use code here. The whole line, okay, this read line, this one to this one is not empty. Okay, and we can use code here, line. Oh, this one is a integration. The whole part here, this one is empty and not empty. Okay. Then we will read the line. We will output the line and have a look. Maybe we can system dot out dot print line, the line, and these ones we should comment it, and we will set a breakpoint here, and we'll run our code, debug our code. The address already in band. That's because this is running, so we have to terminate it and redebug it, clear all, and I'll refresh it. Okay. The breakpoint is hit it, and step over and see the console. This is the first line, you know, and click. This is second line. Step over the third line. What's this code meaning? What's the meaning of this code? You know, what's this? we've got so many output here. You know, this is the detail of the HTTP protocol request. You know, this is the HTTP protocol. The protocol's detail, the content is like this. Are like this. Okay, this is a line. The whole protocol, including this line, this line, this line. Okay, but we have to get is this. You know, ASP.HTTP, this one. Okay, and if we change the test one, press enter and click all, we will get the new request content here, this content. So we have to retrieve this string from the whole string. So how can we do it? Then we should, maybe we can have a, if this is line 1, okay, this is line 1, so line 1, we can define it. Maybe we should use a string buffer to store the whole lines. Okay, we can write string buffer equals new string buffer, maybe, and the string buffer dot, no string buffer, there's no need to use the string buffer. We can use string builder append request line 1. Okay, under this circumstance, all we need is a first name. That's right. We don't need this lines. We just need the first name. So we directly string 1 line 1 equals none. That's fine. You know, that's because the line first output is the line 1. Okay, then we should use substring to get this content here. Substring what? We can maybe, that's because the whole line uses two space, white space. Yeah, maybe we can split with space. Then we'll get an array, you know. This is array 1, array 0, the array 1, array. Yeah, this is a, maybe this is a convenient way. Yeah, and the string low path equals this one. And if we retrieve this path, we don't need to continue this for loop, this while loop. We can break it, and then we will get this path. Okay, and we will, yeah, Actually, we only need to use if condition. We don't need while. Yeah. Okay, path. Then we can cancel the comment of our code path. Yes, is a path, and this is a path of file path. Then file path equals what? This dot dir plus the path, you know, and we can set a breakpoint here and re-debug our software. Okay, this one. That's right. Right? Yeah, we've got the right path. Yeah, that's right. Then and oh, not this one. Resume. Say if we could get the right content here. Yeah, that's right. Then if we Oh, that's because it's a blank HTML file, and we'll refresh. Yeah, this is A. Okay, and we can change it. Then we can use hyperlink here. You know, hyperlink here. A. You know what? We can get test1.html. Yes, we can change our code here. If we press enter and why? Oh, no file. We run it. That's because we have changed the way we get the path. So we have to continue. If there's no path, then we will get the path. The path is, so we have to judge it. If the path equals, no, we should use this one. Then equals path. That means path should equals index.html. No? Yeah, let's fix this bug. Okay. And rerun it, redebug it, enter. Enter. Okay. File path. Oh, disappeared. We've missed a slash here. Refresh. Okay, the file path is right. Continue. Okay, hello. And if we click the hello, we will get to the next page. And the next page, we should add some other backlink. So, we have to write it, output again, export it again, export again, and we'll get our new version. We can copy it to here and replace the file, terminate it, double click. Yeah, that's right. Drive the www root, and I will have to say if we can get the right content, but why there are some errors? Oh, you can see here. I just told you the favorite icon, you know. Yeah, this time we can see it very clear. That's the browser. The browser request